I want to delete this reference place like this way, and then again I select the stairs, and then in type selector we got three different types of assembled stairs actually, that we can assemble the tread, riser, nosing, and stringers. We can select each of them, make them visible or invisible. And we got in place stairs or cast in place stairs that are specific to each of the projects. But in precast stairs, as you can see, they are pre-created stairs and they will be installed in the projects. So assembled, cast in place, and precast. If we select each of these types, we'll have some type properties and some others in instance properties. So if we choose each of them, as you can see, these are the instance and type properties. Well done. Note that some of the properties should be adjusted or set before drawing or creating the stairs. For instance, there are some settings that we have to set them or adjust them before creating the stairs, that you have to put them into consideration. For instance, here in dimension, which is related to stairs, and also calculation rules. These two groups are related to each other and we have to adjust them before creating the rules. I select the cast in place stairs as an example this time. And let me mention this, that before talking about settings, let us check the appearances of these three types of stairs, like assembled, precast, and cast in place. I hide the railings, finish, check it out. I open the 3D view, WT for tile views, check it out. And the next one, I select this type, but as you can see, we got more runs because the height is less than the other one and their appearance is different. And the next one is part 1, part M actually. And the next type, private, like this way. It is used in interior parts, interior of the building. And in cast in place, as you can see, they are provided in concrete material. And also in precast stairs, they are being like this. I draw it in U shape. As you can see, landing and these stairs are separated, but they are joined and connected with some connections actually, while it is different in other types. So these are the appearances of these stairs in Revit that I wanted to show you before getting through more details. And let me mention another item, that in Revit software, when we model or finish creating a stair, we got the geometry of the stairs, and as you can see, and we got the lines or the edges highlighted. It seems that there are two objects overlapping. Watch this. While if we select other objects like walls, as you can see, the entire object is highlighted in red. But if I hold down the cursor of the mouse and then I press down tab, then you'll see the run is selected separately. That we can get access to run properties, as you can see, that we'll talk about them later. I just wanted to mention that in Revit software from the versions of 2012 on, we are able to add stairs by component. So then modeling stairs was very easier than before. But there is still an issue which is not solved yet. Here in fact there are two stairs that are overlapping each other, but we do not notice this. That two stairs do exist. However, in the schedule table and also apparently we got one. But here, in a sense, we got two. Two ones. We got each of the runs separately, and the other one is the entire stair. Consider totally. And to show you this, let me open or launch 3D Max, then from file export. I export my file as fbx. Here let me assign a name for the file, stairs, and then I save it. Then I wait for 3D Max to be launched, and then we're gonna check it whether it is correct or not by this way. Then from file import, then I want to select the file exported by Revit, fbx file type. Wait for a second please. fbx, new folder, fbx. I select the stairs and then I open it here. I click on OK. We just want to talk about these. Anyway, the file is imported. I select move, and then I select the stairs, and then I move it. Watch this. We got two. Then I move the landing. We got another landing. But if we move others, as you can see, we got two. In fact, when we create stairs, we got two versions of, or two editions of, stairs to control the settings. However, this would increase the size of the file, but we got no solution. And this is not solved yet, still in the new versions of Revit, but we don't notice in the displayment and also in the schedule table. I close it. I just wanted to show you this, that Revit got such a thing in stairs, and if we section it or cut it, we do not understand or we do not realize this. It seems that we got only one stair, but it is different in the 3D view. I select these and then I delete them. We continue in the next session.